For several days now, we have been witness to an incessant dialogue surrounding the Central Vista redevelopment project in the national capital. Leaders like Rahul Gandhi have all but launched a full-blown campaign to bring the ongoing work to a grinding halt. But Mr. Gandhi has been known to cry foul and make unreasonable demands in the past. More often than not, these claims are not even substantiated with plausible arguments. Can this be the case with his venomous discourse this time around as well? We think you already know. Here are some facts. The Central Vista redevelopment project is first and foremost a project dedicated solely to the nation and its people and not any particular political organization. The total cost is estimated to be Rs 20,000 crore. It is actually an amount to be paid in parts over the project's entire duration, which may be a couple of years. This cost is a mere fraction of the over Rs 2 lakh crore outlay for the healthcare sector in this year's budget. Moreover, as of today, only a small amount, just over Rs 1,000 crore, has been awarded for the work started on the new Parliament building and rejuvenation of Central Vista Avenue. Any further allocations will only be made as the work would progress over the years. Mr. Gandhi has argued that funds should be allocated towards vaccine development. Well, as per the budget, Rs 35,000 crore will be allocated for just that purpose. But this seems to have slipped his mind. Moreover, even during the pandemic and any lockdowns, the government isn't on a vacation and neither has governance stopped. Quite contrary to popular belief. Take the railways, for example. During last year's lockdown, over 200 delayed projects were completed. Now consider for a moment the thousands employed by critical projects such as the Central Vista highway construction and infrastructure development. The skilled and unskilled workers would also find themselves without a job if Mr. Gandhi is to be believed. What then? Finally, such projects at a dramatically inflated cost have also been in the works in states governed by Mr. Gandhi's own party. What does he have to say about the Rs 900 crore MLA hostel being constructed at Mumbai's posh Nariman Point? What about the increase of Rs 300 crore in estimates for this project? Furthermore, a new Legislative Assembly building will be built in Chhattisgarh. Why is Mr. Gandhi mum on that? If this is the prevalent logic, his own words have been completely contradictory. At a time when even his own party colleagues understand the requirement of a new parliament building for the country's esteemed elected leaders, maybe Raga believes that a repeat of Amethi might occur in Kerala, and he fears that he will miss out. Jokes aside, with a pandemic wreaking havoc across the world, the best course of action could and should be productive work for national development, not cheap tactics aimed at disruption. Thank you and keep watching New India Junction.